If you want to be on the fast track to results because you have no time to waste, because as a mom we don't have a lot of time anyway, you need this toolkit. Oh yeah, well you say that about everything. No, hear me out here. Been a trainer for 10 years, fitness professional. Do you know how many products I've tried? And over those 10 years, I've also tested a lot of my clients on these products too to see if they really work. Those products are in this toolkit. It is laid out very neatly, organized. If you want to know what product I recommend, I will break it down for you. What's really cool is I give you my take on it. These products are nothing special. A lot of them I don't get paid for, so it's truly what I feel like is the best for me and my clients. And I know you'll love them. I know you'll love them. So if you want to know, Casey, what protein's the best, or what should I do? I will tell you which one is best for maybe your goal and your taste buds. I've got a few things in there that I recommend and that I also use for health, sleep, you name it, gut health. Any supplement that you just want to know about is pretty much in here. My favorite thing about this toolkit is, you know, when you're bored and stressed out, and it always happens at night. You go to the refrigerator and you just wreck your whole diet because you just eat something that's in the refrigerator, or maybe you travel or you can't get to a certain food and you need something really quick. All that's in this toolkit. Foods and snacks and things that I use every single day that's gonna make your life easier, that you don't even know about. It's gonna change your life. I know it. You're gonna be, oh my God, where has this been my whole life? Who has time to go research and find out where to get it? Hey, I've got the link for you right here. All you gotta do is click on the link and it takes you right to Amazon Prime, because Mom's Prime, that's what we do. We get everything on Prime. This is 60 pages of information, 10 years in the making, thousands of clients tested, proven, valued at $397. I'm gonna give it to you today for $47. I've done all the hard work for you, so if you really want to be ahead of the game, get this toolkit. Look in the mirror right now. You need this toolkit. We need results tomorrow. So click the link below and grab yours right now.